You're watching PPMA TV, thanks to our wonderful sponsors, Markham and Marge, for giving me the opportunity to come over here to have a little chat with John from Capcoder to tell us a little bit about some of these wonderful machines that we've got here. How are you doing?
I'm very well, thank you.
Fantastic. So thanks for talking to us. So let's kick off then. Can you tell us a little bit about what it is that Capcoder does?
Yeah, we design, build, we install, we look after a whole range of filling and capping equipment. Generally for food, pharmaceuticals, e-liquid, vitamins, but sell it across the UK, sometimes across Europe and as far flung as Europe, Australia as well, but generally the UK.
Oh great, oh fine, so UK-based company, everything's here, that's good.
We're a British company, we design and build everything here in the UK and we're proud of it, yeah.
Nice, and I mean with sustainability being a bit of a buzzword at the moment, great for your carbon footprint.
Absolutely, yeah, keep the air miles down, yes, yeah.
Brilliant. All right, well, let's have a look at some of these machines. We've got sort of three here, haven't we? All of different sizes. So
yes, yeah. Well, this is our middle range, if you like. This is kind of a small, it's basically a mini production line. So what we've got here is a filling and capping machine where the products are automatically sent through on a star wheel. They go through the system, they're labelled, they are coded and then collected at the end. And a single operator can effectively produce 20 to 30 bottles per minute, which is quite a good output.
Yeah, no, it really isn't. It must be, I guess for your customers, great, because actually that manpower that they would have been putting in can be spent elsewhere.
Absolutely, yeah. We always like to think that we're making people more efficient and they can have people, possibly 2 or 3 of these lines, can probably produce what a dozen people can produce on a bench by hand, which is, you know, it's you've got to keep up. You've got to make sure that you're more as efficient or better, more efficient than your competitors. And this is the way that they remain competitive. So.
And it's fantastic. And this is only your mid-range. If we look behind us, we've got something a little bit bigger, haven't we?
Yeah. Well, this machine is a completely automatic. So it's for vial production, and so effectively this is typically for life sciences, COVID test kit production. It's yeah, quite a sophisticated system. So it's automatic bottle and vial input. We've got automatic cap input. Again, we're filling, we're capping, and this will produce around about 45 to 60 per minute, thereabouts. So it's, and again, single operator just needs to effectively top up the liquid, the caps, the bottles, and it's a complete line.
Yeah, I mean, it's wonderful. And again, that time efficiency must just be so key, especially during the pandemic, which I should imagine this was quite popular during that.
We were stupidly busy, honestly. And it's a strange scenario because obviously it was a rough time for everybody. But from a business perspective, our feet didn't touch the ground. I mean, we were literally non-stop right the way through. We were a key supplier to a lot of industries. And yeah, it was a hectic time, very hectic.
Well, I mean, thank you for providing the solutions in a time where we all needed it, really.
Appreciate it. It was good. I mean, we got through it. Everybody's hopefully, came through it the other side. Just don't want to see it again. We'd just like to get back to a regular production, basically.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's not just the big industries. You actually have one of the smaller machines as well, which I guess for startups, new businesses, this can be perfect for that.
Yeah, and we can show you this. This is effectively, here we have a crimp machine and we have a semi-automatic filler as well. So, yeah, effectively, if I can just show you this.
Yeah, we'll have a little look at this now.
Yeah. So this is our crimping machine. We do the same thing for screw cap systems as well. So you press both buttons, system goes in on the jig, crimp head comes down, tightens, and that is how a perfume bottle is crimped. There you go.
I have to say, it's one of those things I've been learning so much over the last 2 days about all the different industries and the things that you just never would think. Actually, that's how that's made. So it's great to see.
Exactly. And this is a semi-automatic filler. Does exactly the same job. You put the bottle underneath, press the button, and it fills effectively. So this is set up for quite a small fill, but if I show you this, there you go. It's set up for a 20 ml fill, so it's actually the wrong bottle, but it gives an impression of how you do it. Very, very accurate, servo-driven, semi-automatic. But again, one operator could probably handle 10, 15 products per minute. So really, it's for a startup. These are ideal, and they're just a semi-automatic version of the bigger systems that we build over here. So
Yeah, and you can supply throughout the business life.
we can grow as they grow,
Yeah,
and it happens. It's surprising how often that does happen. It's incredible how some of the customers start off as almost in the garden shed, and end up way bigger than we are, and it's great to see. It really is good.
So nice. Now, we are here at PPMA, really busy day 2. I've got to ask, why is it important that businesses such as yourselves are here?
I think it's great, certainly after the pandemic. I think it's great to be back, to see people, to see customers face to face. Zoom and team calls are great, and they'll never go away, but I think actually talking to customers face to face, starting a project off somewhere like this where you can show a range of what you've got it's essential. And I don't think it'll ever go away. I think it's really is important. So,
John, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us. Come down, have a chat, come and learn more about these wonderful machines for your business needs.